Let that shower and small hookup. Alright. Oh, hookup girls. Okay. Watch.
Come like this.
What is this talking about?
This is a lesson to all of you hookup girls. Hookup. See your colleague.
Shut up your mouth.
Ready for this one?
Shut up your mouth.
Delivery girl. Small delivery hookup girl. Small hookup delivery girl. See what I mean?
Keep quiet. What's the name? What do you do for a living?
I sell cosmetics.
Make una hear what though.
On that thing for one time. You say what?
Shoes.
Why are you here?
I came to deliver things.
It is essential.
You have to do what?
I came to deliver my goods.
So are you delivering in the bedroom? How come you enter the bedroom?
After the delivery, he said he likes me. And this is what
Okay, you do hookup plus delivery.
Hookup plus delivery. You don't see
You do
them now.
hookup plus delivery.
small hookup is small hookup.
Oh, they have small hookup. Small hookup plus delivery. Come closer.
See your colleague, oh. Small hookup plus delivery. See your colleague. See your colleague, oh. Your colleague. Small hookup plus delivery.
Angels.
Angels.
Small hookup. For you. Don't delay me. I need to take that
For you. This guy.
Where is it?
My destiny is bright.
It's bright.
It's what?
It's bright. My destiny is bright.
Shut up.
Small hookup can hook your life up if you don't know. Okay, just watch.
Sit down.
Come here, sit down here.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sit down.
When they tell Una Christmas is coming, girls be careful. There are ritualists everywhere. Ritualists they everywhere. Girls, make Una listen well.
On the light. Come closer here. Come closer. Repeat after me. Repeat after me.
Yes.
Almighty Lord,
Lord,
as I give you my soul,
I will
not do hook up again. Forgive me my sin. Amen.
This is the sweetest evangelism. Evangelism without stress. You don't need to force them. They will just accept Christ. I like these guys. Please follow them on IG. Lord of Lemon _. IG Lord of Lemon _ They follow them. These people are good. They are good. They're just too good.
You are not contented with the gain you are getting from the shoes and perfume you are selling online.
I will be contented.
Before you are not contented before. You are looking for sharp money. Who is treasuring you? How old are you? 24. Who is treasuring you?
You want to wear Brazilian hair?
Camera, please come.
Bone straight.
Come.
Bone bend. Hi.
Shut up your mouth, you are talking rubbish. Country is not helping. Did you help yourself? Lazy you. Come closer. You are a student. Who knew you were coming here?
Only my friend.
Only your friend. What if, let's take private that we are real ritualists. What would you have said to your mom? How would your mom and your dad feel
Can you just
You see
imagine?
your body
Girls
part
get
also
sense
full of life
now.
left on the road without
If not for
seeing
you,
vital
for your
private
family,
part.
get sense.
How would they feel? You see the reason why ritual is keep increasing every day. Because people like when I know they hear what they won't sit in one place. You are visiting somebody you don't know just because the person chatted you online. Now you claim you're selling what? Cosmetics and shoe, right? And the guy asks you to bring it from delivery. Don't they have delivery man? Don't you have delivery man?
More
money.
More money. It is your body that used to make more money. Your body.
Is he not paying you for this thing? He's going to pay you. Then why are you looking for more extra money? You are not contented with what you're doing. And so I said this, I'm a CEO online, CEO on WhatsApp. They don't give us here what online.
Yes, sir.
Order, place your order. Choke me with order. I'm still taking order. And the other business that. Be contented with what you have. Work. Go to school. Work on you can't really. All this looking for a way to go. Can you imagine what if you are real ritualists now? You can get yourself beheaded. And that's how you lose your life for nothing. How much do you issue?
That's 5,000.
Is it at 5,000?
Yes.
Give her money.
Oh,
I just make
thank
this.
you.
If you do this, I'll knock this thing.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
you.
Lord of Lemon __ on IG. Please follow them. They are good
Oh my
people.
God,
This, actually, this is some of 100,000 naira. Where should it come?
I don't.
Where should it come?
Wait,
100,000. Just take
I
it.
can't be going like that. Oh.
Take it.
Take the money.
Take money now. You came for money for hookup. Small hookup to get money. Take money. You are still not taking the game. I never say anything. Guess.
When you speak, you have a mark.
I said
Yes.
Just take. Don't worry. Take it. There's nothing happening. Just take it.
Take now. Small
It's a prank
hookup.
video.
Small hookup. Delivery.
Guys, please just share.
Sir.
Don't. Guys, please just like, comment, and share this video.
Thank you,
I don't
brother.
have share, like, comment.
I don't
Share
have
this
much
thing
to say.
aggressively. Let this be a warning to other girls there.
Yeah.
There are many girls doing this thing. Many girls like are doing this thing online. They'll phone choke me with others. I'm taking others. I'm taking it. Nothing where they know they sell. They don't get shop. They sell everything. This is what they do as side hustle.